So now, student, we will discuss about Orun's timetable. Okay. In Orun's timetable, in a day, we know that one day or a whole day, that is equals to 24 hours. Okay. So if you say one third of a day, one third of a day, that means how many hours? One third of a day, one third into 24 hours, that means 3 8 ja 24, that means 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. Now there is some question is given here. Use different colors. Okay, student, you use different colors and you can show it how many hours Orun sleep, how many hours Orun study, how many hours Orun play. Okay, now it is given here that playing Orun 1/8 of a day, 1/8 of a day. Studying 1/4 of a day. Studying 1/4 of a day. And sleeps how many hours? From 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. how many hours? It is 8 hours. 10 to 12 is 10 to 12, it is 2 hours, and 12 to 6 it is 6 hours. So 2 plus 6, that means total how many hours? 8 hours sleep. 10 p.m. at night to 6 a.m. in the morning, how many hours? 8 hours sleeps. Okay, 8 hours sleeps. And also it is given that playing 7 to 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. that means playing 3 hours. Playing also 3 hours. These are the information given. ये सब information आपका यहाँ पे दिया गया है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है? फर्स्ट हम लोग स्लीपिंग हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. क्या? हाउ मेनी आवर्स डज अरुण टेक फॉर स्लीपिंग, कितना घंटा वो सोता है. तो हम लोग ये फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कितना घंटा वो सोता है. कितना घंटा? 8 आवर्स वो सोता है. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट कितना घंटा सोता है? 8 आवर्स सोता है. तो हम लोग ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि 8 आवर्स होता है. यह हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 8 by 24, that means 1/3 of a day. That means 1/3 of a day. Sleeping how many hours? कितना घंटा सो रहा है? How many hours sleep? 8 hours out of कितना घंटा? एक दिन में कितना होता है? 24 घंटा होता है. स्लीप कितना घंटा सो रहा है? 8 घंटा सो रहा है. ठीक है, 8 घंटा वो सो रहा है. हमें क्या निकालना है? हाउ मेनी आवर्स डज अरुण टेक फॉर स्लीपिंग. तो वी फ्रॉम हेयर we can find out 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. that is 8 hours. So 8 hours अरुण स्लीपिंग. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम लोग ये भी दिखा सकते हैं कि 8 hours मीन्स 8 by 24, that means 1/3 of a day. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टडिंग कितना? हाउ मेनी आवर्स स्टडिंग? 1/4 of a day. स्टडिंग कितना? 1/4 of a day. तो 1/4 of a day मीन्स 1/4 into 24, that means how many hours? 6 hours of a day. ठीक है, 1/4 of a day, that means what? 1/4 into 24, that means 6 hours of a day. Next, playing how many hours playing? It is already it is given that 1/8 of a day. 1 1/8 of a day. 1/8 of a day. 1/8 of a day means how many hours? 1/8 into 24. 1/8 into 24. That means 24 को 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे कितना होगा? 3. That means 3 hours. So sleeping how many hours? 8 hours. Studying how many hours? 6 hours. And playing how many hours? 3 hours. Okay. Then next question is, what part of the day does he use for other activities? What part of the day he use for other activities? So total how many hours he using? 8 plus total how many hours he using? Total hours using is 8 sleeping, 6 studying, 3 playing. Total how many hours? 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 3 17 hours. Okay. So remaining how many hours for other activities? So remaining hours is कितना होगा? टोटल कितना होता है? 24 minus 17 hours. That means how many hours? 7 hours remaining. तो ये 7 hours क्या करेगा? अदर एक्टिविटी वो कर सकता है, क्योंकि उसके हाथ में 7 hours उसके हाथ में है. 24 minus 17 is 7 hours. तो वो 7 hours अदर एक्टिविटी कर सकता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस पेज 68.